How's it going, guys? Got a 2000 Lincoln Continental here, and this thing's been squealing a whole bunch, making a terrible noise, and it's been like this for a couple days. So I decided to finally check what was going on, and let me find it here. Look at that. That's awful. This was only 5,000 miles. Actually just replaced this a couple months ago. That was a brand new brake pad just a couple months ago. Only around 5,000 miles. And that totally shredded this on the other side. But what I found what the problem was is I was thinking the caliper was seized and it was stuck. While I was looking around, I was hoping not. I was looking at what possibly could be. Looked at this right here, the bracket on the caliper, not the caliper itself. And if you look, that one goes down like normal, no problem. This was seized. This one was totally seized. It was stuck up, was not moving at all. Now moves a little bit, but it was totally seized. That's probably what the problem was. So I took this out, took the rubber part off. All you do is just take that off, and then this becomes, you can just pull that out, and then under here you just clean. Get something like this, spray it in there, get some Q-tips. I put this in, just rammed it up and down through it, cleaned it out like 3 times. So it actually moves, doesn't move well, but it did not move before. This was totally seized. Here's the rotor. If you look closely, there's these grooves. They're really deep too. I don't think the camera picks it up well, but these are deep grooves. Just ruined this, needs a new one. This is shot. So that's what happens. This is a 20-year-old car. Things go bad, but if you guys are hearing a weird deep, I mean, not high-pitched tone, but a deep rubbing in your wheel well, check for this. See if these are stuck open, one of them. Or maybe both of them are stuck open. That brake pad I showed you only had 5,000 miles on it. This is what I used. Like I said, this one was bad. You take that rubber off, you take this out, and then in here, where that bolt rod is in, you just clean the hell out of that. Make sure you have this nice, make sure air's in it so it actually suctions properly in here. So, I don't know if this is going to fix it, but it definitely doesn't hurt because this was stuck open. But I'm just making a video for you guys to know that check this out. This might be the problem. It might not be your caliper. It could be. But just make sure, like this one's perfect. Just press it down, it goes back up. Press it down, go back up. So, just like that.